How to make the best netherite pickaxe in Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make the best netherite pickaxe in Minecraft. First, open your smithing table on your device. Now, you will see the upgrade gear menu. Then place a smithing template in the first slot, a diamond pickaxe in the second slot, and a netherite ingot in the third one. That's the combo you need to craft a netherite pickaxe. Now, just move the upgraded pickaxe to your inventory, and you've got yourself the strongest pickaxe in the game. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.